a wall that begins solid and gradually dissolves into the sky. This gradient wall reveals a home where privacy and natural light coexist in visual tension. Pixel House is located in Tel Aviv-Yafo, Israel. The urban plot is defined by close neighboring buildings, requiring a careful balance between openness to the outside and visual privacy. The idea of the gradient wall was first conceived by Anderman Architects back in 2017, a feature that starts sealed and gradually becomes permeable, vanishing into the air. Only in August 2022, after hundreds of hours of development, did the gradient system finally take shape exactly as envisioned. Beyond its striking aesthetics, the wall was designed to ensure privacy for the adjacent lower-level neighbor while allowing abundant daylight to reach the subterranean floor. This solution achieves both goals, maintaining discretion toward the neighbor and ensuring strong natural illumination within the home. The wall provides shading to lower levels when needed, without ever blocking daylight completely. The house spans approximately 300 square meters of built area. The ground floor hosts the main social spaces, living, dining, and kitchen, arranged so that the light passing through the gradient wall floods the interiors. Large glass doors connect the indoor areas with the outdoor spaces, visually extending the social zone into the garden or terrace. The gradient wall is the visual protagonist. It begins as a solid facade and gradually opens up, fading at the top to allow transitions of light and shadow throughout the day. It also creates a transitional zone between the exterior and the subterranean interior, acting as both a visual and lighting filter. Pixel House is the result of an ambitious visual promise, an architecture that chooses to dissolve boundaries without losing strength. Between privacy and transparency, between solidity and air, it builds a space that thrives on both what it reveals and what it conceals. It is a house where form, light, and materiality unite to create a living environment that breathes, evolves with the day, and engages with its surroundings without resorting to ostentation.